Additive manufacturing has been described as the best way to make parts that can't be made in any other way. What is absolutely common between additive and all other forms of manufacturing technology is the need for profitability. Making great parts is not the same thing as making great parts pay. I discussed the implications of additive as a production technology with Jeff Blank, President and Chief Operating Officer of Evolve Additive Solutions. Take a look. Yeah, what kind of working volume are we looking at here? I've seen some production applications which involve gangs of dozens of small machines, and there's a tendency for the machines to get larger.
Yeah, I mean, ours is a production machine. A working volume is 300 by 600 by 100 millimeters, but the machine itself is highly productive. It's a continuous process. And so, we kind of calculate over the course of, 1 year, one shift, it can be a metric ton of final part material. And if you, on a typical small to medium part size, that's 500,000 parts per shift. So this is not a desktop machine. This is a true production machine.
Yeah, on a integrated over time, those are like cyclic rates similar to multi-cavity injection molding.
It's exactly right. So, our vision for the future is in that factory, you'll have your injection molding machine, and right next to it, you're going to have an Evolve step machine, producing parts.